And then one other thing that I didn't show the first go around is how to make a CMA, or how to figure out a valuation if you're looking at a property without having to go to the MLS or go somewhere else.
Thank you.
No problem. We're going to do it right now. Should I wait for you? Alright. So the two things we're going to talk about this go around is property lines and how to do a rapid CMA.
I'm sorry, what app are we in?
Homesnap.
Okay.
We'd be home snapping it.
So when you get into Homesnap and you either location search or put in an address or done something, you get a property.
It's not, for some reason, that might be.
And I'm going to skip right over start a safety timer because we already talked about that, and I'm going to go to the next thing, which is agent action send rapid CMA. And you press that button and it shows you the property you're at, and at that time you can tell its parameters. For instance, it's a detached 3-bedroom, 4.5 bath home that's priced at roughly $4.5 million, and it was built around 2007. So you verify, is that information correct? If it is, then next step.
Okay. I really apologize, but I missed your first step. Where are you?
First step.
Okay, I'm in.
First step, find the property.
Okay, any property?
Any property.
Okay.
Pick a property, any property.
There you go. Okay.
So once you're in that property and you scroll down, you'll find something that says rapid CMA, and it's probably right under the agent safety feature, which we talked about earlier.
What? Where?
Scroll, my friend.
What am I looking for?
It's probably right after the safety. Estimated.
Oh, you know what?
Do we have to find Tom?
Oh, there it is.
Rapid
Automatically.
Under agent actions, you click rapid CMA, and then after I verify, I'm able to actually pick some comps. So here's one that's only 0.8 miles away. I could view the property, or I could just choose it. In this case, I'm just going to choose it. And then there's another one that's also priced at $4 million, and then there's this one that's 3.8. So I'm just going to bracket mine because that's where I want to bracket. And then I get some sold comps as well. They're telling me they're a mile away, 0.9 miles away, 4.9 miles away. And I'm just going to go ahead and pick 3, hit next step. You're only allowed to pick 3, by the way.
Oh, really?
Reasonable.
On this program.
Yeah.
When you look at it, it asks you if it's a good match, and you can say yes and pick it. Once you pick the 3, you hit next step. And now you're able to email that CMA to your client. It's that simple. You're done. Or phone number. You can put in a phone number. I'm pretty sure I texted this to Mary earlier, and it worked.
Well, let's see what it looks like. That's my husband.
No, it has to be an email address. It cannot be a phone number. So.
Not here yet.
And you hit create, and it sends. So it's accessing the MLS, it's optimizing, it's grabbing all the photos, it's preparing maps, it's finalizing the layout.
That was so cool.
And then when it's all done,
Way more than somebody.
there's the report. Now,
Mine didn't come that fast. Let me look here.
here's my report. Mine happens to be a branded report. I paid the $49 a year for the fancy pants Dinits Realty. You don't have to. You can just have the Realtor Association Maui logo. And then I could then push this. See, I could push it by phone or email right here and send it.
Well, I did, so I can send it myself to see it.
So I can message it. Here.
So now it's saying here's 3 lights.
And I just texted it over to Mary, who just got it on her phone, and she has this report.
This report. Wow. Okay.
Terry?
The engineer here.